In this video, I'm going to show you how to record on the replay mod. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you have the replay mod installed on your game if you haven't already. And once you have the replay mod installed, go ahead and join your world that you're trying to use it on. Then you want to press on escape, and then you're going to see this button that says start recording. So you want to go ahead and press on it just like so, and then it is going to begin recording a sequence where you can go ahead and start doing whatever action you're trying to do. So it could be like mining, doing a survival world, or building a house or something like that. Then you just want to go ahead and do whatever you want to do. And then afterwards, once you are done recording, then all you want to do is you want to press on escape, then select on stop recording right here. Okay, but we are not done yet. Now, let's go ahead and access that video recording. So go ahead and press on save and quit title. Then you'll notice that over here, it is going to say saving replay file. So because my files was relatively small, it was instantly able to do it. But if your file is like really long, or you've been recording for like 20 minutes or so, then it may take a while. And what you don't want to do is you don't want to exit your game. So keep your game running. You never want to exit the game while it is actually saving your file. And then afterwards, what you want to do is you want to press on done, then go ahead and select on replay viewer. Then you should see the sequence that you did just record. So mine is right over here, and you want to select on it. Then you want to go ahead and press on load just like so. All right, guys, so here we are in the actual replay mod recording. And as you're able to tell, it is going to display all our movements and stuff like that. So we can go ahead and unpause the replay. And yep, here is us actually doing the actions that we're doing. And then from here, what you could do is you can go ahead and add position keyframes and time keyframes in order to actually create a sequence and a cinematic. I did make a full NF guide on my main channel, so go ahead and check that out if you want to learn how to do that. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.